Jimmy, look at the sky. It's turning all shades of orange and pink.
Yes, Danny, it's a beautiful sunset. I was reading about celestial events recently.
Reading is great, but let's create our own celestial magic tonight.
Danny, what are you doing?
I'm composing a frog symphony. Join in, Jimmy.
Okay, Danny, but let's keep it melodious.
Absolutely, Jimmy. Let's serenade the night. Jimmy, look. The fireflies are joining our orchestra.
It's like a magical performance, Danny.
Jimmy, this is a fairy tale come true.
It's as if the fireflies are dancing to our music.
Jimmy, a shooting star. Quick, make a wish.
I wish for more moments like this, Danny, filled with wonder and friendship.
Jimmy, this is the most spontaneous adventure yet.
Sometimes the most enchanting moments happen when you least expect them.
Jimmy, our music and the fireflies made tonight magical.
Indeed, Danny. Let's always remember this enchanting night.
Jimmy, our adventures are like stories from a fairy tale.
Yes, Danny, and I'm grateful for every